Hi, and welcome to this tutorial about how to be an artist inside of Club Consortya. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download the app, so just go to download beta here, and then we've got the 32-bit for Windows, 64-bit, an OS X universal build, which should work on any Mac, or coming soon as a Linux build. We had it working before, but it's not really working right now. So I've already got it downloaded, but you'll just click this and follow through with the standard procedure there. So then just going to open up. You'll see a list of folders here. This one is the actual game itself, and then these are some libraries. Here's the README. These first 8 steps are pretty system agnostic, so they'll just detail exactly what you need to do, but if you keep following this video, I'll show you. Now the second list is specific to OS X. If you're using Windows 7 or Vista or beyond, it should be pretty easy because they have the Windows Audio Sound API, but for OS X you're going to have to route some audio. So the first thing you'll do is download Soundflower and run it. I've already got it downloaded, so it always opens up in the top up here. And I like to keep the built-in output so that I can monitor. And down here in buffer size, I like to keep it at 1024. It defaults to 512. And basically by setting it to none or to built-in output, that determines whether you can monitor through your headphones. So then the next step is you're going to need to run this install command, which will install the OGG encoder, and that's how you're going to connect to our IceCast. So hold Control and open it, because it might warn you about it being downloaded from an outside source. So it's going to open up this thing. You just need to type in your password and press enter. Broadcast tools installed. Now it's telling you to reroute Soundflower, and what that means is just click on this little show sound input Apple script that I've made for you. It's really easy. Click play. If it doesn't work, you can go into system preferences and go into sound on your own. But you have this input and output tab, and you want to click Soundflower 2 channel. That way you're routing through Soundflower. Now that that's taken care of, you're going to open up Consortya. You want to click allow, and maybe you want low, medium, it just kind of depends on your computer. And then if you click windowed, as an artist I suggest windowed because you're going to want to switch between this and your other environment. If you don't have that clicked, it'll be full screen. So now we're going to click play. So here we are in Consortya. I'm going to type in my username and password. If you forget your password and click there, if you don't have an account, just go ahead and go to register. Make sure to toggle that so that you don't have to type in your username and password every time. Alright, so here we are. You can see Consortya here. Yeah, probably because I'm recording. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to type in here become artist, press return. Now give yourself an artist name. Mine's DJ Bounce. Then I'll click become artist. So that takes me in here. Now it might look a little lame, so let's spawn a couple bots so it looks like there's some people in here. Alright, that's a little cooler, huh? So click this little radio, and now you're going to see your monitoring and how to broadcast. Currently we don't have anything selected, so we're going to need a sound device. So let's pick Soundflower 2 channel, and then it should be showing something, but I'm not playing any audio. So let me go ahead and open up Mix, which I'm using, and click play. So you can see I'm there, and I'm kind of clipping a little bit. So why don't I just turn down my output here to a nice level. Alright, then I'm just going to click broadcast. Let me try it again. So now you're broadcasting in Consortya. You can tell that because you'll see this little blue stuff here. Now my computer's going just a little slow. It's not the world's best Mac. So I'll set the the new song name. As you're playing, if you've got tracks or whatever, you can just type in your title there. So now I'm broadcasting. You'll see this update here in a second or two. And then, you know, now you're the artist. So you've got to interact with people. You can talk with people here. Hey everyone. They'll all see a special thing from you because you're kind of the special person, and you can press these key commands to do some different activities. I'm waving to the crowd. Here I can show some emoji, which is pretty fun, just using the 1 through 9 keyboard. Alright, so I'm going to just stop that sound, open back up Consortya, and that's why you definitely want it to be windowed. When you're done, just click stop. You're no longer broadcasting, and you can log out. And if a buddy of yours or something is now broadcasting, you can just go ahead and log back in. You won't be the artist anymore. You'll be in the crowd. And what I'm going to show you now is how you can become a light tech, which is pretty awesome. Now there's no audio playing right now, but you'll get the hang of it. I'm using the WASD to move around, so you can control the house lights if you want to dim them. Turn on all the spotlights, you can see them up there. You can turn on some lasers. How about we go for a nice purple laser, huh? That looks pretty cool. You can set the spotlights to flash, different patterns. You can have a cookie on top of your spotlights. Control the speed. If there's audio playing, you can click this BPM sync, which will make the beats per minute of the lights automatically correlate to your song. Otherwise, you're going to need to just control the speed meter here.